We're in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, baby. So where are we? At the Tuscany. And so what's interesting about Vegas is it smells like that stinky weed in the hallway. I don't know what it is, but it's stinky. It's a little smelly. All right, let's go in. Hey, you, there, come on. Come on in, 309, you're welcome, we're here. Thanks to Groupon. We'll talk about that in a second. All right, anyone in there? What's up? Uh-oh, room tour. Our room's falling down. So that's what happens when you book on Groupon. They don't knock your door down. There we go. So we'll have to call about that. So this definitely isn't our room because I asked for 2 doubles. So welcome to our room. But luckily there's some shampoo. Old Spice. The person had long hair. So yeah. So welcome to the Tuscany. We'll leave the light on for you. We'll kick in the door for you. Groupon. We'll talk about that later. We'll continue, hopefully in the right room. But hey, good times. Peace.
We're back.
So what happened?
This is our room.
Yeah, we got the numbers wrong. So 309, the broken room, was not our room. So we're, what number?
That was kind of weird. Oh, yeah.
A little weird? All right, bring us in. Good times. Yay, here we go. Room tour. What you got in that room? We hope so. Ooh, ah. There we go, much better. Smells good.
I think somebody must have broke into that room to smoke pot.
Sounds like it. Welcome to Vegas. Yeah, this smells much better. We got a couch. Got 2 beautiful, three beautiful girls. Oh my goodness. Lucky me and Ryder. We got Ryder. We got 2 beds. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, good to see you. Come on in. What's in here? It's so dark. Turn on the lights. What could it be? Nice. We got the bathroom. There's no Old Spice in here. You got your shower. You got your tub, rub-a-dub-dub. The El Baño.
Really small.
Shower's really small. Well, you're really small, so that's perfect. Cool.
This shower's really small.
Yeah.
I still am kind of skeptical about that room.
Well, that's okay. I'll tell them about it. But yeah, so Groupon actually didn't know you could book hotels on there. Did you know this? So we found it on Groupon, and I think with like the coupon you have with it comes out to like $32
Plus resort fee.
plus resort fee. You do got a resort fee,
$35
but $35 a day, so it comes out to, do the math, 77. But we're also using rewards for the first part of that, so we're keeping the cost down here in America, and that's what we got. That's the room tour. So we're at the Tuscany Hotel in Las Vegas, and I'm hungry, so let's get some food. What do you got to say?
Yeehaw! That's what he said. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! All right, peace. Welcome to Vegas. Whoa, she gone.